everyone. I wanted to bring you a couple of videos where you can see exactly what you are buying from us. This is a Nurturing by Nature lamb rib. These are the medium sized ribs, and in each pack you get 2 kilos, which is approximately 10 ribs. And this is what they look like. Let's take a closer look. We deliver these to you frozen, and you can see that our lamb ribs are really meaty. Although classed as a bony meal, you can tell that the muscle meat is still left on these bones. Some dogs will just eat this meat off. Some will eat the whole bone. Either way, this will help clean their teeth and give a very satisfying meal. If you have a larger dog, you can feed this alongside a bone-free meal. Or for smaller dogs, balance over time by offering a bone-free meal before and after a bony meal. So, that's it. These are our Nurturing by Nature lamb ribs. Don't they look fantastic?